So exactly what I just said.
Oh, man.
19.
Step 1, circle the term you're solving for. Step 2, move all other terms across the equal sign by adding their opposite or doing the opposite operation. Step 3, make coefficient a positive 1. Those are the steps. Rules. When you add or subtract something to the equation, then you must do it once on the left side, once on the right side. That's what we did with the one-step equations. And then also with the one-step equations in your homework, we multiplied. So when you multiply or divide, you must multiply or divide every term. You must do it to every term. All right. Second, finish that. You must memorize all of these. Okay.
Can you see me?
No. Actually.
Yes.
All right, so keep those in mind as we do this, these problems. Example 1, an easy one. Okay, I'm going to go through these steps with you. This will help you later on with more difficult problems. So today's assignment should be fairly simple for you if you follow these rules. Okay? So circle the term I'm solving for. A term is separated by plus and minus signs. So on the left side of the equal sign, there's only two terms here. There's one term on the right side. Okay, 2x is not two terms. That is all one term. That has the variable I'm solving for. I'm going to move this term to the other side of the equal sign. How do I get rid of a plus 1? Good.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Rule number 1, when adding or subtracting, you must do it once on each side of the equal sign. See how that works? All right. That's one step. You're left with 2x on the left, a 3 on the right. Step number 3, make the coefficient a positive 1. I make it a positive 1 by either multiplying by the reciprocal or doing the opposite operation. Which one do you want to do at this point? You want to do the opposite operation? So we'll divide off the 2, and when we do that, that becomes a positive 1, doesn't it?
Yep.
All right, positive 1x. So your answer is 3/2. There's 2 steps. These are 2 steps equations. Got it?
Also, we don't have to like make the 3 halves or whatever. Okay.
or 1 1/2. Okay?
Yep.
3/2 is 1 1/2. Got it? Okay. What are you confused? Who's confused?
This
Wait,
may
why is it 3/2?
I divided off the 2.
Shouldn't-
3 goes into 3, right?
The 3 by 2.
Oh, it's just.
Yeah.
Like, you don't have to like combine the three.
No, don't. And on the calculator, you mean? No. I have no decimals in here. I don't want decimals in my answer. Okay? Yeah.
How'd you get the 2?
I want to make this a positive 1 in front of the x.
So you just divided
So I
it by-
divided it. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can do anything you want in the equation, provided you follow these rules. These rules are extremely important the rest of this year and in algebra. Got it?
So like you just take the number that is there.
Yep.
Divide by itself.
Yeah, didn't you do yesterday's assignment?
Yeah.
It was the exact same thing.
Oh.
Okay? Unless you had a fraction. Now, example 2 is x minus 2 over 3 equals 6. I told you the book likes to put fractions together that have common denominators. We're going to split it apart for a good reason. This is really x over 3 minus 2 over 3. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. You need to be able to manipulate your fractions like this. All right, step 1. Circle the term you're solving for. Step 2, move the other terms to the other side of the equal sign. How do I remove a minus 2/3?
Plus 2/3.
Add 2/3. Okay, so now I have x over 3 on the left and 6 2/3 on the right, which as an improper fraction is what? 6 2/3. As an improper fraction.
20 over 3.
Yeah. Glad your calculator's working. All right, smarty. Step 3, I need to make the coefficient on x of 1. Now, technically, it is a 1 at the moment, but we need to notice that it's also divided by 3. So you can either do the opposite operation or multiply by the reciprocal. Which one do you want to do? It doesn't matter. You get to choose. All right? It's attached by division, so I'm going to multiply by 3. When I do that, that reduces to a 1. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. This also reduces, and it leaves just 20.
Oh. Okay.
Wait.
I'm confused.
I don't get that.
I don't get that.
I am.
This right here?
Yeah.
All right, watch. I'm going to multiply this by 3. What's 3 as a fraction?
3 over 1.
Can I reduce diagonally in multiplication?
Yep.
Okay, if you don't get that, then multiply straight across. That's 60. That's 3. What's 60 over 3?
20.
All right, if you're more comfortable doing that, then do that.
Okay. I'm gonna-
Okay, I'm not always just going to teach you one method. You can use, you got a brain, use more than one method.
Got it. Okay. I
All
got
right.
it. I get it.
Example 3, last one. 40 minus 3n equals negative 23. This is extremely important here, guys. Circle the term you're solving for. What did I say about the operations, what they're attached to?
Follow.
What? Yeah, the minus will go with the following term. So that is one term. How do I get rid of a positive 40? Thank you. All right, now we're starting to catch on. We are eliminating some mistakes that students typically make. So this is a good thing. All right, rule, gotta do once on each side of the equal sign. That's negative 63. Step 3, make the coefficient a positive 1. We're talking about multiplication and division here. How is the negative 3 attached to the end? It's attached by multiplication, so we are going to divide by negative 3. You gotta do it to each term. Well, there's only 2 terms up here, so that's what I do it. Alright? That becomes a positive 1n. And what is this? Negative over negative is positive. 63 divided by 3?
21.
21.
No, it's not.
Assignment. Page 34. 10 to 33. 43 and 44. Next time, let's not take 10 minutes to call our mommies.
Okay.
That way you have time to do your homework today.
10:33.